We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Lanblu 2026 Foldable Kiddie Pool with Canopy. Consists of the following features: 2-in-1 removable canopy, shield UPF 50+ sun and gently safeguarding children's sensitive skin from sunburn and damage. Lightweight, detachable and highly practical, this kiddie pool with canopy creates a cool, cozy shaded zone everywhere. Made of high-performance waterproof fabric, Lanblu Toddler Pool with Canopy can keep your little ones fully protected all day long, whether under blazing sunshine or sudden light rain. So outdoor water play never has to stop unexpectedly. Getting ready for aesthetic water play in just seconds, our pop-up pool tent for babies adopt high-grade color-locking printing craft to decorate both inner and outer walls with rich, lively marine patterns. The delicate sea life designs stay bright and fresh permanently, resisting fading caused by strong sunlight and long-time water soaking. Get your ticket to a whimsical underwater wonderland. Roomy 53x40x 33-inch spacious play area. This roomy toddler beach pool easily accommodates 2 to 3 young kids to splash, interact, and move around freely without feeling restricted. Designed with practical daily use in mind. Our toddler pools for backyard features a low 1.0-inch drain outlet and a large 0.8-inch quick-release valve ensures fast, thorough water removal, cutting down cleaning time, and keeps the outdoor baby pool fresh for every use. Say goodbye to bulky, hard-to-store pools that weigh you down. This lightweight foldable kiddie pool redefines convenient outdoor water play with smart, user-friendly design. It pops open and folds flat in mere seconds, eliminating complicated setup and tedious cleanup. When playtime ends, portable kids' beach pool compacts neatly into a small storage bag, taking up barely any room at home. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.